I was really about to cancel these guys, but man, this palette, it's everything. These colors, beautiful. Today's video is all about the Juvias Place the Violets palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. I am literally obsessed with it. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look and what I think about this palette, then keep on watching because it's coming right up.
Hold up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Alana and I do weekly beauty videos. So if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button so you get your weekly dose of glam. It is officially the new year. Yeah! I literally can't believe that it is 2020. This is crazy. We are in a new setup. Well, not really a new setup. This has been set up for a while now. So don't come for me for the fact that I got random people still in these photo frames because I haven't done all of them, but it's cute. It's a vibe and I'm here for it. And for 2020, your girl is not going to slack. I promise myself I am not going to slack on my channel. I am going to post regularly, so every Wednesday is going to be a new video. So this is the first video of the year. As I mentioned in the intro, it's all about the Violets palette by Juvia's Place. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look and my thoughts on the palette, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that I am going to use is P. Louise's Vivid Violet base. I wanted to make sure that the lilac was super vibrant, so by using a base that is the same shade or close to the shadow that I'm going to be using in the Violets palette, I went ahead and I opted for this, and then I went ahead and I jumped right into the palette and picked up the matte shade, which is this really, really pretty lilac purple color, and I just went ahead and set kind of everything into place all over the eye, just so that nothing really moved around and it stayed put. And it also just helped bring back more vibrancy to the color as well. Then I went ahead and I picked up the plum color, which is a very deep, beautiful plum. It has a bit of like a blue undertone to it too. And I placed that pretty high above my crease just because I have such hooded eyes and I wanted to make sure that when I applied the shimmers you could really see them. So I went ahead and I applied that, and I just went back and forth between pressing it in with a really, really dense brush and then just buffing it out with a really tiny blending brush until I created kind of the crease that I wanted. Alright, now let's go ahead and cut our crease, baby. I haven't used this white Kat Von D concealer in forever, but you guys know that this is my holy grail, so I went ahead and I cut my crease with that. I like using white on eye looks like this, just because that way when you use the white, it really just makes everything super pigmented, and once you place it on top, which is what I did next, I grabbed the violet shimmer in the palette and I placed that pretty much all over the lid, avoiding that front part of my eye because we're going to add some fun there. But then I hopped into the darker shimmer shade, which is a metallic like amethyst purple kind of color. It's a little bit darker but not too dark, and I just added that into the outer corner of my eye as well. And I just went back and forth between the two until I got like that perfect blend gradient effect that I was looking for. So that way it wasn't too like just pressed onto the eye, if that makes sense. Now let's go ahead and jump into the fun part. I'm picking up Peaches and Cream's loose eyeshadow color in Super Freak, which is like really pretty neon yellow. Obviously purples and yellows complement each other, and I didn't want to make this just like a straight purple eye look. I wanted to add in a little bit of color and make it a little bit more fun. I mean, obviously you could still keep it very purple and this eye look would look beautiful, but I just wanted to be a little bit different, and so I decided to add in this really pretty color. I love these loose shadows from Peaches and Cream. Their color payoff is like phenomenal, and their shades are just so different. It's literally like not anything that you would normally find in other makeup brands, so I really, really dig these. Now, of course, the eye look would not be complete without some eyeliner just to like tie everything in. I was originally going to just do very simple, like little liner, not a wing or anything. But of course, you know your girl, she got carried away, and of course, I had to put a wing on it. So it went from little tiny eyeliner to a stupid ass wing. But whatever, it looks good. And then for mascara, I'm just picking up a Clinique. I don't even know if this is the Clinique one. I'm pretty sure that was what was closest to me at the time. Mascara, and I'm just applying that to my lashes lightly before I go ahead and add my lashes. I will link in the description box below where I got my lashes, because these lashes are just like literally off of AliExpress, but they're one of my favorite kind of lashes to use, and girl, they cheap. I'm not into paying, you know, $20-$30 for a pair of lashes. So yeah. I also didn't film my face routine because I didn't want to, but if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments section below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and you love the look as much as I do. If you haven't already, please make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button, and I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.